guys, I'm Heather, a Showit web designer and Virginia wedding photographer. So if you are like me, the fall is the busiest time, filled with editing, and I probably spend 10 to 20 hours a week editing my galleries and have a pretty tight turnaround that I like to be able to deliver my photos back to my clients within a month. So I actually just tested out a brand new AI feature called Imagen, and I was able to edit an engagement session in 3 minutes, which is just insane. It's not a perfect system. There's definitely still things I need to fine tune, and it hasn't fully learned my style, but I think it has great potential. So I'm going to kind of walk you through the process and how I edited this gallery and some of the tweaks to see if you can even notice the difference between my style and what AI was able to produce. I also have a free code for you guys. So if you want to get the first 1,500 images for free, it only took me 10 minutes to set up my account. Super, super easy. So definitely give that a try, especially if you are backlogged on editing or just want a new tool to use going forward for next year. I think this is a great option for you, especially with AI growing. I think it's going to be such a buzzword, and more programs are going to be created in the next few years to help small business owners. I think it's worth giving a try. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is export your photo gallery as a new collection. So in Lightroom, you're going to have that catalog all ready to go so that you can upload it into Imagen. So this is the profile that I've already set up. You can see the navigation here. I have created a AI profile for myself and just labeled it bright and vibrant because that's kind of how I describe my style. You can also see in here a few of the other projects I've already worked on. So I've uploaded a wedding and another engagement session, and it fully walks you through kind of this timeline process of while you're working on each project, which I love. So we're going to start here by uploading a new portrait session. I'm going in and grabbing that Lightroom catalog that I've created specifically for the engagement session I want to edit. And then this is the dialog window that it opens for you. So as you can see, there's a lot of additional settings that you can do. You can have it just edit based on your previous catalogs. So cropping, straightening. I actually want to compare the images that I edited to the AI edited images. So I'm going to select that it's only going to edit the ones that I've not previously edited. And then you'll hit upload, and you'll see it kind of gives you a timeline calculator, which 3 minutes is insane for editing an entire portrait session. As you see, it's uploading and editing almost 224 images. And I'm gonna just kind of let this run. As it goes, I'll talk you through a few of the additional features that it has. So once the upload is complete, you'll see that it will start to update on that timeline that it gives you, and the images eventually will be ready for review. And the great thing is that Imagen is linking directly with Lightroom, so everything that you do in Lightroom is going to be synced to your Imagen profile. I love the feature that it has to fine tune. So basically, once you have gone through and edited and tweaked any of the AI edits, you can re-upload that Lightroom catalog, and it's going to learn more over time for the style that you are looking for. Okay, so you see that the download to review has just populated. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that and just download the edits that it's created for me. And this will open directly in your Lightroom catalog, which I love that it is syncing that all-in-one feature. So I chose to have it only edit the images that I hadn't previously edited because I wanted to kind of compare to see if the style was accurate in terms of what I would naturally do with colors and skin tones and things like that. So I'll kind of go through and show you a few of the differences from the images that I've edited versus the ones that AI Imagen has edited. Kind of have to scroll through. It takes a little bit of time, a few seconds really, to just process the images. So you'll see as you scroll through, a few of them will kind of appear before your eyes with the new edits. So these two images right here, this is actually shockingly accurate to see the before and afters. Most of the ones that have 3 stars are images that I've edited. So I'm gonna click into a few of these so you can see. So this is my edit versus AI, mine versus AI. So as you can see, the colors are really similar. A little bit of the brightness I'm gonna need to go through and adjust and just make sure that the contrast is matching what I would naturally do. Let me show you a few more of these. All right, that is before and after. So you can see the AI edits are a little bit cooler and blue toned than what I would naturally do, so I probably will warm up some of these. But as a baseline, this is amazing to be able to have all of these edits really, really close to what my style would be. I would say most of these tweaks are only going to take me about 30 minutes to an hour versus the original probably 3 to 4 hours that editing would do. For most portrait sessions, I can edit a full gallery and cull and all of that in about 2 hours. So being able to do AI editing for 3 minutes to get this baseline is really, really helpful. Let me show you another example here. So those two are pretty close. As you can see, my edit has a bit more contrast, so I'll just need to bump those up a little bit. I have found that AI editing seems to do better when my images have more of a grass background and natural versus if it's something on concrete or really architectural background. It seems to pull the skin tones better when there's natural colors around it. That's just something I've noticed with the images that I've tested. And let me see if I can pull in one more example for you. Pretty dang close. Again, a little bit more blue and cool toned in the edits that AI Imagen has given back to me, but I can definitely make those tweaks pretty quickly. So what I want to do is go through and do the final fine tuning. So I'm going to edit that whole entire collection, make it perfect for delivering to my clients, and then I'm going to upload the completed collection. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. As you can see, it's really easy to use, and I love the fact that it learns with you. So the more galleries that you upload to it, the better it's going to understand your style. Be sure to give that a try. If you want to test out the program Imagen, I do have that link in my description for 1,500 images for free. And please comment below if you guys are using any other AI technology for your small business. I would love to know, because we all need a little bit of extra help, especially as a solo entrepreneur. There are so many little pieces that we have to handle ourselves, so any extra tools that we can use would be amazing. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.